What's up, cutie?
Hey,
What's going on?
not too much.
Hey, I was looking at you and I thought you were really pretty and I wanted to get your number. Is that too much to ask for, or
You know,
let's go
I
out to dinner?
usually go out to dinner with people
Oh yeah, who you go to dinner? By yourself?
sometimes.
Oh wow. That's I don't usually ask twice, but you sure you don't want to go out with me?
Is your car?
Yeah, it's my car. Why?
Well, I might be able to go out to dinner with
You
you.
might.
There's a bar down the street if you want to go.
There's what?
There's a bar down the street. If you
Oh,
wanna go.
now you want to. Too bad. I don't like gold diggers.